start with the finished result. This is Excel, with ChatGPT sitting in the side panel, and the workbook now has a leadership-ready earnings dashboard. The dashboard has KPI cards, a verdict, driver notes, guidance, watch items, and source caveats. This is the new proof from ChatGPT's own launch post. ChatGPT is now inside Excel and Google Sheets, powered by GPT 5.5, and it is editing the workbook instead of making you upload a file somewhere else. This matters because we already had a beta story around ChatGPT for spreadsheets. That older story was mostly official pages, marketplace listings, and a launch image. Useful, but not the same as a real product clip. This update is stronger. The official ChatGPT account posted it on May 5th, with a direct link to the product page and a 51-second demo. The post says ChatGPT can analyze messy data, write formulas, update spreadsheets, and explain what it is doing along the way without leaving the spreadsheet. It also says the experience is now available as an add-on in Excel and Google Sheets. That gives us a cleaner angle: what changed, what the real demo proves, and where the rollout copy is still confusing. OpenAI's product page makes the promise pretty plain. Ask ChatGPT to build full spreadsheets, get insights across tabs, add and edit formulas, and update sheets in real time. The pitch is not a separate chat workflow. It is ChatGPT where spreadsheet work already happens. The page says users can start from a blank spreadsheet or edit an existing one by describing what they need, like a survey analysis, a discounted cash flow model, or a business plan. It says ChatGPT can answer questions across tabs, explain formulas, find errors, spot patterns, and turn data into insights. The trust language is important too. OpenAI says the add-on links answers to cells it references, preserves formulas and formatting, and asks for permission before making changes. That last part is not a small detail. If an assistant can edit a workbook, the revert path and the source trail matter as much as the magic. Now look at the first half of the demo. The workbook is a financial model, and the user is not asking a vague question. They reference a specific tab called Balance Sheet Queue. The prompt asks ChatGPT to update that worksheet with the latest earnings print and transcript commentary. Then the app's menu opens. You can see Dow Jones Factiva, Intuit QuickBooks, MSCI, S&P Global, Third Bridge, and Explore apps. The prompt chooses S&P Global and asks for key drivers of actuals versus estimates. ChatGPT starts working inside Excel. The response says it updated Balance Sheet Q with the latest fiscal 2026 Q3 actuals from S&P Global, refreshed the earnings print commentary, added drivers, updated the source log, and verified that the checks pass. That is the real workflow shift. The spreadsheet is no longer just data ChatGPT comments on. It becomes a live workspace ChatGPT can update, explain, and check. The second half is the better YouTube hook. The user asks for a leadership-ready earnings dashboard with scannable key takeaways. The model selector says heavy. A few seconds later, the workbook has a new dashboard called Latest Earnings Print Dashboard. It has a verdict line, revenue, EPS, guidance, operating income, driver read-throughs, and watch items. The ChatGPT panel says done, then explains what it created. It says it built KPI cards, key takeaways, driver read-throughs, qualitative tables, watch items, and source caveats. That is the part most people will care about. ChatGPT is not only filling cells. It is trying to package the analysis for a person who has to scan a workbook quickly before a meeting. For finance teams, ops teams, founders, and anyone living in spreadsheet hell, that is the interesting jump. The install story is simple on paper, but the details are messy. The official page says ChatGPT for Excel and Google Sheets is available globally for business, enterprise, edu, teachers, K-12, free, Go, Pro, and Plus users. The Google Workspace Marketplace listing was updated on May 5th and says the Sheets add-on can build, analyze, and update sheets using natural language. It also says you can bring in ChatGPT apps, including Gmail, Stripe, SharePoint, and others, and build skills for repeated workflows like scenario analysis or financial reconciliation. But the Microsoft Marketplace copy is still narrower. It still talks about public beta, Plus, Pro, business, and enterprise users in the US, Canada, and Australia. It also says memory and apps are not available. So do not treat the availability language as perfectly settled yet. Plan, workspace admin settings, region, app permissions, and data source entitlements can still decide what actually works for you. Here is the practical take. This is one of those launches where the demo is impressive and the caveats matter. OpenAI says some advanced Excel features are not supported yet, including Office scripts, Power Query, pivot and data model features, VBA automation, slicers, timelines, and broader advanced charting. Very large workbooks can also run into context limits. The marketplaces warn that ChatGPT can edit or delete spreadsheet content if the request is unclear. So the right workflow is simple. Use it for cleanup, summaries, first-pass formulas, dashboard drafts, and data checks. Then verify the important numbers, formulas, and source logs before anyone treats the workbook as truth. My verdict: this is a real step beyond spreadsheet upload analysis. ChatGPT is moving into the live workbook, and that is a much bigger deal than the beta launch image made it look.